Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to give you step by step on how to unblock a WeChat account by friend, as the case may be. Take a look at this particular message right here. Before anyone can qualify for WeChat account unblock, the person must have a 6-month-old account, and then within that particular 6 months, there should be no violation of account on that particular account that you want to use to unblock. And at the same time, it has not exceeded the upper limit, which is 1 per month, or 2 in 6 months, or 3 in a year. These are the criteria. And so how to unblock? Ask the person to search for WeChat team in their app, go to account and select a friend login to verify your identity. Do not trust stranger offering to unblock account for fee, as this often is scam. This is just a kind of stance warning by WeChat right here. So what you need to do right there, that the person that got the account blocked, you need to tell them to send you. So in this regard, what you need to do is that the person, you and the person that get the account blocked must have been in a friend before they get the account blocked. So in this regard, before you can unblock someone through WeChat team, the person must be your contact friend. Okay. Since once they are your contact friend, they will have to send a app to verify login through the unblock and verify identity. So once they send it to you, it is now left to you to track the request through WeChat team. So for that, I'm going to assist from here now, and I'll go ahead and open up my WeChat right here. So when you open your WeChat that you want to use to unblock the delete account, the restricted account, just go to search right here. Go to search icon. And what you need to do is to simply search for WeChat team. WeChat team. So once you search for WeChat team, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on WeChat team unblock. So click on that. Then it's going to open up to this particular interface right here. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on this first result right here. Now you are here. So what you need to do here is to simply click on account. Once you click on account, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on help friend to unblock. So once they send you a request to unblock the account, you are going to see the report right here. So the only thing you need to do is so you can see no request received to verify friend's login. So in your own end, you will receive a request to verify friend login right here. So what you need to do is to simply accept it, verify, and complete the prompt, and the account will be unblocked. But if the person is not in your contact friend before the account gets blocked, there is no way you can unblock them. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.